Hi from there was a private school. Do you understand English, but you don't have the courage of speaking in English? Do usually people ask you to repeat yourself while communicating any topic in English? It's me again, Maryam Nazi, the English language teacher who has given courses last year at there was a private school. As an English language teacher, I get asked many questions about the ways that they can learn English as their second language. But the most asked question that I usually get are those two mentioned questions. I reckon that the best way that anybody can speak in English without feeling shy or getting scared is to try and train your tongue. Because if you do believe that you understand what I'm saying right now, it means you have trained your brain before, whether by reading in English or writing in English or even listening to English speech. So the best way is to speak now. According to the second questions, I know it's extremely frustrating when people ask you to come again or to repeat what you have just said, because I have been through that when I was a student back then. So the best part, our courses will help you to work as a team, not as a teacher and as a student, with providing the best coursework and other English contents. So don't wait any longer, register your name now, and we're so excited to meet you in our summer courses. Bye for now.